Troubles facing the leadership of the Health Ministry at Afya House seems to have spilled over to the National Assembly Health Committee. A section of committee members are accusing the committee leadership of turning a blind eye on the happenings at Afya House, and as such, a petition to oust the chairperson and the vice chairperson has been signed by at least 20 committee members. And when the committee met to deliberate on the impeachment motion,
that list where my name was, let it be tabled so that the people who want to withdraw, then they can withdraw. But it can't go without saying that there was no names that have been appended in that list, indicating of no confidence in the chair. That list was already been signed by over 20 members.
The initial allegation was that members met on Thursday, and during that meeting, members discussed and appended their signatures. Now, what is coming out again is that that list was prepared prior to members' meeting.
Let us separate the two. I think the chair wants us to speak about a list that was signed on Thursday, while I can hear from other members saying that there was another list that was out there, even outside the meeting.
The bearer of the impeachment motion failed to produce the list, sparking controversy. MPs who had signed the petition to seeking the removal of chairperson and the vice chairperson could not understand how the list had gone missing barely 2 days after they appended their signature. The chair of the committee, Rachel Nyamai, and the office of clerk said they had not received any petition seeking ousting the chairperson or vice chairperson.
Can that list be accepted? It still reflects the feeling of us. And I want to say that we must realize we are a department that is dealing with people's health. We cannot work without honor. Dr. Pukose, we cannot work without honor.
I would like us to get the right way that this should be done, if it's something that you really would like to do, but still insist that there is no list that has been tabled to the clerk's office or to anyone.
Meanwhile, the internal auditor who blew the whistle over the alleged 5 billion shillings scandal at Afya House, Bernard Wachira, remained non-committal before Senate's Health Committee on whether money was lost. Wachira instead maintained the procurement laws were not followed and that only if the forensic audit can ascertain whether money was lost. Kevin Wachira, Channel One News.